Good morning, friends, and welcome to Ultra Vision Academy. So, 11th Science English Medium Computer subject. We are studying chapter number 6. So, we studied till passwd command, PASSWD, in the last lecture. So, passwd command is used to change the password of a login. So, by default it will change the password of the current login, whereas if you are administrator user, it means if you have started Linux as an administrator, then you can change the password of any login. So when you give this command, it will first ask you to give current Unix password, and then it will ask you the new password twice. When you give both the phrases same, then it will change the password. Then next is clear screen, clear command. It's very common command. So let's see. Suppose when you give ls command, it will show you the list of files and folders. See, here there is only one file, readme. So now if you want to clear the screen, then you can give the command clear and then press enter. So it will clear the screen. So at the top left corner, it will show you terminal prompt where you can give commands. So that is clear command to clear the screen. Now getting help on Linux commands. If you don't know the use of any command, then you can have help option in Linux. So there is a command named man. Man means manual. After man, you can write the name of any command. For example, cat, C-A-T. Cat is the name of command, remember. So here both these are commands. Man is also command that is used for help. Cat is also command, but here it is it is argument. So we need to display help about cat command. For that you have to give syntax man space cat, and when you press enter, it will show you all the available options for cat command, means how it can be used. You can see here in the output name cat. Then what is the meaning of CAT? Concatenate files and print on the standard output. Standard output means monitor. And remember, standard input means keyboard. In the last line you can see here help is given. If you press H, then it will display further help, and if you press Q from keyboard, then it will quit the help. So when you press Q, it will close the man command's output. Again, you can give clear command. So this way we can display help. Another command is help. So let's see how help command works. Suppose we need to display help about mv command. There is mv command. So to use help command, you have to give the command name for which you want to display help, then minus minus and then help. When you give this command, it will show you mv command's help. So this way you can read the details about mv command. Mv means move, and this command we have to study in this chapter further. Clear? So this way you can display help for any command. But both these commands, help and man, shows lots of options regarding the command. But if you just want to know about the command, means what is the meaning of that command in short, then you can use another command that is known as what is. See here, the name of the command is what is, and that also you have to write in combination without giving space. What is here? The syntax of grammar doesn't work. This is Linux syntax. So what is, and then for which command you want to display help, that command you have to write. For example, cat. So it will display short and sweet help regarding cat command, so that you can come to know what is the use of cat command. We have to study further cat command, but just now I'll tell you one option we have used for cat command: cat /etc/shells. The first command that we have studied. So this command shows all the available shells of Linux operating system. Clear? So remember, to display help, there is man command, another is help command, the third one is what is command. Next is apropos. Now if you don't know command, but just you know the output of command, means what the command does, so you can find out a string, for example apropos, and you want to display all the commands that is that contains info phrase in their output. So apropos info, then this will show you the list of commands at the left side. So this way you can find out a particular command also. So if you don't know command, then also Linux helps you to find out the name of the command by giving string. Clear? So remember, one is man command, another is help command, third is what is command, fourth is apropos command. Now let us understand the structure of Linux, working directory of Linux. See how Linux operating system works. It is different from Windows operating system. We are familiar with Windows operating system, and you might have seen that in Windows operating system it shows C drive, another is D drive. This type of drive letters are available in Windows operating system. So when you open my computer, it will show you this different drive letters, and inside this drive there are several folders available. So there is a folder named Windows, there is another folder named program files. So these are the folders available in C drive in Windows operating system. But remember, the structure of Linux operating system is totally different. So in Windows, hard disk is divided into different logical parts like C drive, D drive, E drive, and in each and every drive there are folders available. But in Linux, everything comes inside /. Everything comes inside /. So // is known as root. Remember, this is known as root. Inside root there are different folders available. For example, there is one folder named bin, then there is also another folder named home, inside home folder there are various folders available for various users. For example, suppose there is a user named Ram, another user is suppose Shyam, then it will show you the folders for each and every user this way. So if you want to say the output, say the address of RAM directory, then you have to write like this: slash home slash RAM. And remember here, this first slash is known as root, whereas this second slash is known as, this is used to distinguish two folders, home folder and RAM folder. So this is the difference between Linux operating system and Windows. In Linux, the drive letters comes inside directory, whereas in Windows, inside drive letters there are various folders available. Now if you want to see whether which is your directory, it means currently in which directory you are working, then you can give command pwd. Pwd means present working directory, and when you press enter, it will show you the address /home/mayurgadvi5. So here this is our home directory, and remember, home directory is similar to my documents in Windows. Whatever files we store directly without giving any address in any program, then automatically it will store it into my documents folder. Similarly, in Linux operating system, whatever program you have started and you are saving file, that will automatically get stored inside your home directory. You can choose any other path, but by default it stores in our home directory. So in Windows it is known as my documents, whereas in Linux it is known as home directory. And if you want to find out which is your home directory, means what is the address, then you can give pwd command. So pwd command shows the entire address starting from root, that is /. So remember, here / represents the root directory in Linux. Inside root directory there is home directory. If you want to see which is your home directory, then you can give command echo $home also. But remember, here HOME, home, you have to write in capital letters. This is also Linux variable. And when you give this command, what it will do, it will just print the value of home variable. It means it will show you address /home/mayurgadvi5. It means which is our home directory. Now let's see the difference between echo $home and pwd. Actually, when you start terminal, it will show you the output of both the commands similar. But remember, echo $home shows your home directory address, whereas pwd command shows your present working directory address. So what is the difference between these two? Let us understand. For that we need to create furthermore directory. So let's see the command mkdir. Mkdir means make directory, and using this command you can create a new directory. So it will create a new directory where your current cursor position is. So let's see, /home/mayurgadvi5. It means just now this directory is open. It is our current directory. So when you use mkdir command, suppose mkdir ram, then it will create a ram directory inside mayurgadvi5 directory. Enter. Clear. So when you give ls command, it will show you that not only readme file, but it also contains ram directory, and directory name it will show you in blue color, so that you can come to know that this is directory. See, now if you want to enter into ram directory, then you have to give command cd and then space ram. Here cd means change directory. So when you give enter, you will enter into ram directory. You can see here /ram dollar is given. It means just now you are in ram directory. Now if you give pwd command, then it will show you different output. It shows our present working directory. It means now we are in /home/mayurgadvi5 ram directory and not in mayurgadvi5 directory. So this is the difference between echo $home and pwd. See, if you give echo $home command, then it will show you your home directory. Your home directory is inside home /home. So that is mayurgadvi5. But when you give pwd command, it will show you your present working directory. It means just now you are inside ram directory. This is similar to entering in a directory in Windows by double clicking on directory name. See, I'll show you. Let's go to this PC option. Now local drive C. Suppose directories are available here. So in Windows, when you want to create new directory, then you just right click on the screen, select new folder option, then it creates a new directory, suppose ram, enter. So that is similar to mkdir command. And when you double click on this directory, that is similar to cd command. So now our present working directory is ram. But if you want to come out of this directory, then just you can give this up arrow and it will come out of this ram directory. So same way, using mkdir command, we can create a directory. Using cd command, we can change the directory. And if you want to come out of ram directory, then you have to give cd space and then double dot. Space is necessary. See. So when you give enter, you will come out of ram directory. Then again, when you give pwd command, it will show you your current directory's address that is similar to your home directory. It means /home/mayurgadvi5. So now the output of echo $home and pwd are similar because our present working directory is our home directory, or you can say our home directory is now present working directory. So remember, in Linux, everything comes inside /, that is known as root. Inside root means /, that is home directory, and inside home directory, users directory is there. So when you give echo $home, it will display your home directory address. But here you have to remember that this is Linux variable, and Linux will give variable name in capital letters. So if you want to print the value of a variable, then you have to use $, as we have seen previously. So this way you can display home directory. Remember, pwd means present working directory. So when you give this command, it will show you your present working directory. Same way, cd command is there. Cd means change directory. If you want to change directory, it means you want to move from one directory to another, then you have to give cd command. So cd and then directory name will make you enter in particular directory. So and then you can use cd double dot command to come out of a directory. Now let's see a structure, and that we will create inside our Linux home directory. So everything is inside home, you know very well. So this is our home directory. Inside home directory you can see your directory. Now inside this home directory we will create another directory named India. Inside India directory we will create 3 directories. One is Gujarat. We will write in short GUJ, just GUJ. Then Rajasthan and Goa. Now inside Gujarat we will create 3 directories. One is Surendranagar. For that we will write just SNR. Another is Ahmedabad, and third one is Rajkot. Inside Rajasthan we will create 2 directories, name Udaipur and another is Jaipur. Inside Goa we will create 2 directories, Madgaon and another is Panjim. So now let's create this structure. See here, inside India, Gujarat, Rajasthan, Goa, all these directories are on same level. Same way inside Gujarat, Surendranagar, Ahmedabad and Rajkot, all these directories are on same level. Same way Udaipur, Jaipur, and same way inside Goa, Madgaon and Panjim are on same level. So we need to create this entire structure inside our home directory. So let's see where we are. PWD, we are inside our home directory. So using mkdir command we can create India directory. Mkdir India, enter. When you give ls command it will show you India directory, but just now we have created directory, we have not entered into directories. So cd India, now we are in India directory. So when you give pwd command it will show you that we are in India directory. Our present working directory has been changed. Now inside India we need to create Gujarat, Rajasthan and Goa. So you can create all these directories simultaneously. So mkdir Gujarat space Rajasthan space Goa, enter. All these directories are on same level. So when you give ls command it will show you that inside India, Goa, Gujarat, Rajasthan, 3 directories are there. Now inside Gujarat we have to go to inside Gujarat. So cd Gujarat, enter. Here there is nothing. So when you give ls command it will show you nothing. Just we have created Gujarat directory. Now we need to create 3 other directories. So mkdir Surendranagar, for that SNR, for Ahmedabad AHM, and for Rajkot we will write Rajkot, enter. So 3 directories we have created here. Now we need to create Udaipur and Jaipur inside Rajasthan directory, and just now we are in Gujarat directory, so we have to come out of Gujarat and we have to move to India directory. So for that we have to give cd double dot. Now we are in India. So now we have to move to Rajasthan. So cd Rajasthan, enter, and then mkdir Udaipur Jaipur, enter. Now again same way, cd double dot to come out of Rajasthan directory, and then you have to give cd Goa, but you can also combine these two commands. So cd double dot slash Goa, it will directly move you to Goa directory. Now here mkdir Madgaon Panjim, because now we are in Goa, so Madgaon Panjim, enter. cd double dot, so now we are in India. Actually if you want to see the entire structure, then you can give tree command, where actually tree command doesn't work in some Linux operating systems. Let's see, here also this command is not available, doesn't matter. So again when you give cd double dot command, it will come out of India directory. Now let's see how to directly go to Surendranagar directory. So you cannot give cd snr directly. It is because snr is available inside India Gujarat directory. So first you have to move to cd India, enter, then you have to give cd Gujarat, and then you have to give cd snr. So now we are in Surendranagar directory. If you want to come out of these directories, then you can give command cd double dot, again cd double dot, again cd double dot, thrice. But you can directly enter into Surendranagar directory by giving command cd India / Gujarat / Surendranagar. So now you have directly entered into SNR directory. Similarly, if you want to come out of all these 3 directories, then you can give command cd double dot / thrice. So now you are in home directory. So this way we can use all these commands. Thank you.